that I remember really clearly, incredibly clearly, but it was also really calm.
No, I would say 100% each.
100% each?
Yes.
Doesn't that defy the logic of math?
Yes. Yes, it does.
So are you like creating your own language too?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's hard to believe that there's a plan, but it's also sometimes things work out in a way that makes it very difficult to not believe that there's some kind of synchronicity going on.
Do you think she could have changed the world in some small way instead?
Maybe she still will.
I'll take your hand in mine and off we go. No farewell, no return. This Pontiac